Hi my dear, welcome to my channel. In our day-to-day life, we get many ideas while we are doing certain things like walking, talking or taking bath. Even in toilets also, we get tremendous good ideas. You may remember Archimedes, a great scientist, got a great idea, beautiful idea, solution for his persisting problem while he was taking a bath. Similarly, in our case also, we do get ideas while we are taking something. Like we are doing something like walking or eating or whatnot. Even while sleeping also, we may get good ideas. But what we do is we just neglect them. Instead of neglecting them, if we record them in a proper way and keep it in mind, then the brain will work on it. In my case, what I do, I maintain a small pocket book like this. In this book, generally, in front side, I write every day daily works I have to do. Whereas in the back side of the book, what I do is I mention in a very simple form about the idea. So this makes my brain to work on this idea continuously because some ideas may be practical and some ideas may not be practical. When our brain, our subconscious brain works on it and comes to a conclusion that this idea is great, it can be practicable, then we can start implement on those ideas. I do like this. So whatever ideas I get during the process of daytime or whenever I get any idea, I record them and keep it, write them in the book so as to use them in future. Hope this idea will be helpful to you also. Okay. God bless you. Bye.
Hello viewers, hope you like this tip. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.